Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2007 female Mitsubishi Triton GLX-R. This vehicle is fitted with a 3.5 litre 6G7 Petrol V6, backed by a 4-wheel drive 5-speed manual transmission. Has a tidy bumper cover, right hand headlight, light sun fading, right hand fog light, left hand headlight, sun faded, left hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. The tailgate has 3.25 dents. Has a tidy rear bumper and step. With tow bar. Right hand tail light in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy center console lid, handbrake lever, a tidy manual transmission 4-wheel drive center console, aftermarket CD player, has a single stack Kenwood aftermarket CD player, AC controls, factory display cluster, instrument cluster, tidy condition. Power window master switch in tidy condition. Some light scuffs and marks. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.